What's going on YouTube, Facebook? This is Michael. Trushine cleaning out here at my first and only job of the day. Today is Saturday, October the 21st, out here in the Overland area, Overland, Missouri. And I got a good one to show you guys. Right now I'm out filling up my sprayer. Finna go in and start pre-vacuuming and pre-spraying. Doing 3 rooms. Well, I'm doing 2 rooms and a set of stairs. So I'm gonna take you guys in, show you guys what I'm doing, and see how good I can get this carpet looking. So take you guys in a second. All right, you guys. Let me take you guys around, show you what I'm doing. So here's the steps. Doing that landing down there, doing these areas here. I haven't started vacuuming yet, so here's the makeup here. So little spots over there. So it's here. So this is the kids' room. So it does have a lot of food and juice spills in this room also. So about to get ready to start pre-vacuuming. See what all I pull up. It is a lot of loose debris on this carpet, so I'm gonna try to give you guys a good vacuuming video. Alright, you guys, just got done doing the vacuuming. Doing some little pre-agitation right now on some of these little spots. I done had this little battery operated sprayer for about a good 2 months now. Working pretty good for me. It usually lasts up to about, I'd say about 2 jobs. I'd be really good on that. I'd have to put it on charge in my van on the like little USB thing, USB port, but it works pretty good. I got this off of Amazon. It takes that little charge right there, and I say it gives me a good 2 hours max, and that's what it actually says on the description on Amazon, 2 hours. So I am going to agitate this carpet, so I had to bring my org in. I haven't used my org in some time. But when I first started, I used to actually agitate every carpet, even if the carpet wasn't bad. I used to just agitate it, but over the years, as I started learning better with my chemistry and working with different carpets, I've learned that you don't have to agitate every carpet. Yeah. And this sprayer comes with this extra long hose, so I can leave it there and work about a good, let's say that's about 5 to 10 feet away. So I pre-sprayed the bed, that bedroom. I'm gonna pre-spray this room. I'm pre-spraying this room, and I'm gonna agitate these two. I'm not gonna do the steps yet because I don't want my cleaning agent to dry. So, show you guys some of the agitation process. Thanks for watching. Alright, you guys, so I kind of forgot to kind of show you guys the agitation process. I was talking on the phone with someone, so I wasn't able to show you guys. So I guess I'll try to give you guys a video of me agitating the steps, because everything, all those spots, seems to be coming out pretty good. Let me see if I can show you guys here. So as you can see, definitely has a lot of spots going down the steps. So I sprayed this and this. So see if I can give you guys a quick little video real quick. Bear with me, I'm doing it with one hand. So, I'm finna get ready to start extracting everything. Show you guys the I'm gonna come back and work on that little blue. That's like that kid slime stuff. Alright, you guys, so showing you guys after results. Everything great. The customer came up and looked at everything. She said it looks good. So wasn't able to get that color spot out, but I did let her know that prior to starting the cleaning process. But all that spot came out. You guys see that makeup that was down there? This room came out real good. So take you guys down the steps. All those spots, look at that. All those spots came up.